Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In this video, we will learn about some log rules and we will focus on the next main thing, that is log division, right? Yesterday's video we have seen about log multiplication, okay? Right now we will see about log division. So let us just see what things we would need to take care of right now. Earlier we have seen and understood the logic and the theory behind logarithm and types of log, that is log multiplication. So we will talk about some of the theoretical part for the logarithm and then we will talk directly about log division. Okay? Actually this is for the people who are new to this YouTube channel through this video. So first thing first, what is log? Log is just opposite of exponent. And how do we write it? Let us first see the definition and all. Definition, and how do we write it? We write exponents and power like this. Okay? And how do we write this thing in log? We write log base 2 and 3. What is this? Same as the power. Okay? This is what? Same power. What is 2? 2 is called base. So indirectly it is all about how many times I will multiply the base, or the base will be multiplied to get 8. So 2 will be multiplied 3 times. Okay? Not 2 into 3. It is 2 multiplied 3 times. Okay? And then we will get the output. Just a minute. And then we will get the output. Okay? This is normal definition of log. What is log multiplication? Let's understand this thing as well. Log multiplication, just in short form. Log multiplication is log a into b. What is a and b? A and b are just numbers, right? So when you see this log and inside two numbers are getting multiplied, then you can easily say it is log a plus log b. Related to this detailed video, you can go and watch the videos like yesterday and day after yesterday videos. You can see in the I button, and in the end of the video you will get the link as well. Right now you will see about log division. Okay? Log division. So what is log division? It is like log a by b. Same thing. What is a and b? A and b are just numbers, right? Simple as it is. When you see two numbers are divided, when you see two numbers are divided in log, what you can guess or what you can find in this, like what is your observation direct? It is like log a minus log b. In multiplication it was plus, in division it is minus. Okay? Let me show you something. Suppose we will use calculator for this. Suppose it is log 100 by log 10, log 100 by 10. What will be the output? It will be log 100 minus log 10, and let's see what the output will be in the calculator. Okay? We will directly use the calculator here. Let's see. Okay, log is there. Yeah, log 100 by 10. We have done like this. Close bracket. Output is 1. Okay? Output is 1. Right now let us just where it is. In division what I have told, log 100 minus log at log 10, what output you will get? 1. Same. ठीक है. Let us see this in Python. Same thing we will see in Python. And in Python, I will be using Jupyter Notebook, and all the data, all the command, all the function, whatever I am using in this video will be presented to you in the comment section. You can just directly copy from there, paste it into your Python environment like Jupyter Notebook, the one we are using right now, or Google Colab, or you can go for VS Code as well. Okay. Right now what we have, 10 and 100 like this. Let us see what output do we get in division. We will just write divide log. And how do we write it? First let's create a new column. Like in the multiplication part we have created a column, and here we will use np. Np is nothing but the alias of numpy. Here I have two libraries, pandas and numpy. Pandas is for the data frame creation, this one, and numpy is for the maths part, the log. Okay, log 10. Here what I will be using, and also let me tell you one thing, all the data here are in multiple of 2 and 5, and that is the reason I am using 10 here. Okay, what we will do, we are just dividing two datas from the columns. Datas are present in what location? Column A and column B. Okay, how do we write column A and column B in Python? You have to give the data frame name. Okay, like this, like df, the data frame name, and the column name as well. Same thing we will do for column B as well. Let's see the output. No error. This is what we have received, minus this. Okay, we can do one thing. Let's do B and A. Lots of negative numbers, that's why. Okay, right now you see how it is like B and A. So it is 100 by 10. What you received? Answer 1. It is okay. Right now, you might be thinking, okay, this is the thing or the function that is already been used in Python, and Python will give correct answer. What about the things that we have learned in mathematical part related to this minus part? I mean, multiplication means addition, division means subtraction. Let's do the cross check as well. Okay, cross check log division. Let's do it. Let's give it cross check divide. Okay, what we can do, np dot log, and here we will give the column name B, and same thing. Oops, what I've done, np dot log this, and right now I will write np dot log 10. Okay, I have not used 10 here. I will write the next column, that is df a. Okay, let's see. No error. Df. Right now you see the answer is same. For log divide, we have directly used the log function, b by a by b, whatever data you want to. You can add up data here as well in your practice session. Same data we have received by doing the subtraction as well, right? So from here you can understand how Python works behind the scene. Actually, Python will take this data and do the same thing. The thing that you are seeing here in the cross check part, it will do the same thing. I have just shown you how it is correct, and all those things that we have learned in the whiteboard, is it correct or not, because this is a cross check part. So that is all about the log division topic that we have learned today. Before closing the video, if you have any doubt related to this, please join my live stream in my YouTube. I do live stream each and every day for doubt clearing and for assignment practice in my YouTube channel, and it is free of cost. No need to take membership or no need to pay anything to ask question. You would just need to join my live stream, ask me doubts. I will help you out by sharing the screen like I'm doing right now. Suppose you have a SQL doubt, example I'm saying. I will use SQL, this PG admin post GRE SQL, I mean to say, to clear your SQL doubts with this whiteboard. If you have Python doubts, I will be using Jupyter Notebook plus this whiteboard to clear your doubts, and I will personally help you out in the doubts as well. But how will you get notification of the live stream? Just click on the subscribe button with the bell icon. Whenever I start my live stream, you get the notification and directly join my live stream and ask me question. I will help you out. Apart from that, I have my comment section open for you, plus I have my mail ID in the description box. If you are not comfortable or asking in this live stream, you can write in the comment section, or my mail id is open to everyone. I mail back to each and everyone related to doubts and all. So that's all about it. And also if you got any knowledge or any value from this video, please click on the like button, share this video to someone who is like trying to switch from non technical domain to data technical domain and wants to explore what maths topic are actually required to understand or to have knowledge in the data domain. Please share this video to them, it would be really helpful. So that's all about it. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying. Sorry for my fumbleness.